Nestled within Georgia's rolling green landscapes is the serene Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, beckoning visitors with its tranquil waters and rich history. This oasis offers a chance to escape daily life and immerse oneself in nature's bounty. The picturesque Chattahoochee River, with its gentle flow and rocky shoals, is the lifeblood of the park, providing a setting for a variety of water sports and leisurely activities. For anglers, the river's misty mornings offer an opportunity to catch the first rays of sunlight while fishing for the day's trophy. More active visitors can enjoy rafting, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and tubing experiences that cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. The park's extensive network of trails invites hikers and cyclists to explore the lush greenery, with every step revealing new surprises in the form of local flora and fauna. The Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area is home to an abundance of wildlife, including great blue herons tending to their young in lofty treetop nests and diverse aquatic life thriving in the river's ecosystem. History buffs can explore the ruins of the Marietta paper mill, where the echoes of Georgia's past blend with the natural beauty of Soap Creek. The park is not just a solitary destination, it's a place for families to come together for recreation and learning. The Junior Ranger program offers children the opportunity to learn about the natural world and their role in its preservation. With variable weather conditions, summer brings warm, humid days perfect for cooling off in the river's waters, while autumn and spring offer an element of surprise. Winter, with its mild days, is ideal for hikes and wildlife watching. No matter the season, the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area offers a treasure trove of natural beauty, recreational activities, and educational opportunities. Visitors can explore the park's wonders on a bicycle, in a kayak, or with a fishing pole in hand, rediscovering the great outdoors at the water's edge where adventure awaits. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.